In this video, I'll show you how to change language on Facebook desktop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational content like this. Now, if for any reasons, right, you want to change your language here on FB, I'm going to walk you through what you're going to do basically. It's very easy, right? So what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this account. Once you've clicked on this account, you're going to click on settings and privacy. You're going to see the language, click on the language. Now, because I'm currently speaking English, so my language currently is the UK, right? English UK. So if you want to change your language, let's say you are from China, you are from anywhere in the world, right? What you're gonna do right now, you're gonna click on this Facebook language, and from the whole displayed options, right, you're gonna see a whole lot of language right here. So you can come on here and pick anyone you want to pick. So this is how you can change your language here on FB on Facebook desktop. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.